Hello guys, welcome to TechTurks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to create internet in Infinite Craft. So in order to do that, first thing we need to do is we need to put in here fire. So on this fire light here, let's add in here water. And on this water right here, let's head over and add in here the steam. And from here, since we already have steam, let's head over and add another fire for that. And we have engine. So for this time, let's head over in here and add another steam to the engine. Now we have train. So since we already have train right here, let's put that aside for now. Then let's add in here another engine. And on this engine right here, let's head over and add in here another engine. So now we have rocket. So for this rocket, let's add another rocket. Now we have satellite. So for the satellite right here, let's head over and add in here another rocket. Now we have moon. And in here also you can see that we have that. Let's add in here on the bullet train. And now on this bullet train, let's put in here a satellite and let's add that together. Now we have internet. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, just comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer. Thanks.